The first witnesses took the stand today in the trial of an East Tennessee mother accused of killing her 15-month-old daughter. 6 News anchor Lori Tucker brought in WATE legal analyst Greg Isaacs to prepare us for the next phase of this case that is getting so much attention.
Greg, thank you for being here.
Lori, it's good to be here.
We are approaching 5 years since Evelyn Boswell was reported missing. She was 15 months old at the time. Prosecutors pointed out she'd be almost 6 years old today as testimony gets underway with her mother, Megan, on trial for murder. So, Greg, let's talk about this case against Megan Boswell and how the process came to this point.
Megan Boswell is charged in a horrific case in Upper East Tennessee in a 19-count indictment with first-degree murder, aggravated child abuse and neglect, abuse of a corpse, and it goes on. And Lori, the facts are very graphic. Basically, Megan Boswell told story after story, which was recounted by the prosecutors during the opening statement, on where the child was. That said that the child had been given to the grandparents for a while.
Who refused to return her, allegedly?
Refused to return her. Said that she'd been given to some other individuals because she would be in a, quote, better place. And then another story, she was with her biological father, but the prosecution pointed out it was lie after lie. In reality, the mother, who was 18 at the time, had abandoned the child, and she was found 17 days after formally being reported missing in a decayed state in a waste receptacle on her grandfather's property.
Just a sad, horrible story. Jury selection wrapped up yesterday, and part of that effort was finding jurors who hadn't formed an opinion about what was a widely publicized and so shocking death. So day one, people were saying, oh, I already know about this case. I can't be on the jury. Day two, it changed a little bit.
Well, very difficult jury selection, and you got to scratch your head and wonder why there wasn't a change of venue, because very inflammatory, pervasive media coverage in this case. But the jury sequestered. The first time in 15 to 20 years in that county, a jury's been sequestered. And Lori, that's very serious if you're a juror, because basically once you're selected, at the end, a jury's impaneled. They take your phone. You can make one phone call, and then you don't see your loved ones until the trial is over.
If you're representing the defendant, you want a jury who's going to be fair and impartial, and the judge was saying, hey, you're going to be arrested if you don't show up.
Right. And think about this. I think probably the fact that it was going to be a jury that was sequestered made its way into the community. A number of jurors failed to show up. The judge sent sheriff deputies to persuade those that didn't show up to appear, and indicated they would be held in contempt if they weren't. Last person I want on my jury is somebody that the sheriff had to drag kicking and screaming to the courthouse. But very poignant opening statements today. And Lori, the defense is going to have their hands full. Jurors were already weeping and crying as they heard how this young girl was neglected, abused, and left in that trash can.
At the heart of it all, that sweet little 15-month-old girl. We'll be watching.
We'll
Greg,
be watching.
Thank you.
Lori and Greg, thank you. If you have a legal question, you can send it to AskIsaacs@WATE.com. And remember, we do talk to Greg every Wednesday, 5:30, right here on Channel 6. That's what you just saw. But there is a deeper conversation on the same subject, and that is over on our website. You can tune into that on Wednesdays at 2:30.